Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your BMW X7. First, confirm your vehicle has the remote start feature enabled, as it might be an optional extra or require activation. Always ensure your BMW X7 is securely locked before you attempt to initiate the remote start function. You can typically use either the My BMW app on your smartphone or a specific sequence on your key fob to begin the process. This method is straightforward. To remote start using your key fob, begin by pressing the lock button 3 times in rapid succession. On the third press, make sure to hold the button down for approximately 1 second. You should then see the vehicle's lights flash, indicating the command has been received. The engine will start, and your BMW X7's climate control system will automatically adjust to your last settings, ensuring a comfortable cabin when you enter. This is a convenient method. For those who prefer using their smartphone, the My BMW app offers a seamless remote start experience. Simply open the application and navigate to the Vehicle tab. Within this section, you will find the Remote Engine Start option clearly displayed. Tap the Start Engine button, and the app will send the command to your BMW X7. You'll receive confirmation once the engine has successfully started, allowing you to prepare for your drive from anywhere. It's very user-friendly. Remember, the remote start function usually runs for a duration of 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. For key fob activation, ensure you are within a reasonable range of your BMW X7, typically up to 100 feet, for the signal to transmit effectively. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated on the go, check out the links in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.